the people that can destroy your family in this CPS case. I once walked into a courtroom and there were 10 attorneys on my case. The mother had an attorney. Each of the fathers had attorneys. There were about 5 or 6 kids, and they were all represented by, I think, 3 attorneys. And then there was the social worker and her attorney. And then the relatives, some relatives had attorneys. There are so many people involved in this process. You have to be aware that any of them or all of them can decide to fight you in this process and try to take your children away from you. Let me give you an example. If I represent a mother in a case, there may be 3 other fathers. Each of those fathers may not be supporting the mother's position for a variety of reasons. Sometimes it's because they thought the mother committed some type of child abuse. Sometimes they thought, well, if I get the child in my custody, I don't have to pay the mother child support. Each person has their own agenda. Also, there's the children's attorney. Some children's attorneys are family-oriented, meaning they do everything to try to get the child back with a parent. Some children's attorneys are not family-oriented, and they favor foster parents and perhaps other relatives. Now, there's many reasons for that, depending on their experience and their backgrounds. And then, of course, there's the social worker's attorney. The social worker's attorney represents the social worker and is supposed to do whatever the social worker is directing the attorney to do. They don't have the right to make their own independent judgment like a district attorney would have in a criminal case. Then there's the judge, and each judge is different. Some are more lenient with parents than others, and each of them have their own backgrounds regarding education, experience, and relationships they've had with their parents and their family members. So there are many people involved in this system that could support you in getting the children back, or they could support a position that you never get your children back. I'm always surprised when I do cases where people land on that spectrum, and it's very interesting. In my next video, I'm going to tell you why you're frustrated about this court proceeding.
For your free consultation, call the law offices of Vincent W. Davis and Associates today. 1-888-888-6582. That's 1-888-888-6582. Thank you for watching.